हे वेलकम बैक। तो कहीं मेरे दोस्त के साथ बात हो रहा था तो मुझे बोला कौशिक तू इतना वीडियो बनाता है तो ऐसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप बता देना कभी, मतलब कैसे फैट बर्न किया जाए यार। ये लव एंड देन ये चबी फेस ये घटता ही नहीं है यार, ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप बता दे तो दैट इज द थिंग टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डू, दैट इज सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप बताएंगे हम लोग, ठीक है। तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप 3 steps to burn your fat. So let's see what is there. And before going further, let me tell you, my name is Kaushik Datta. I help people who are over 30. Because मुझे इतना पता चला, like when you are young, when you don't have those kind of responsibilities like earning, running your family, a lot of responsibilities. When you don't have those responsibilities, then it is very easy for you to hit gyms, to take care of your health, your diet, very easy. But when things start coming towards you, when you cross your 30, then it becomes a little difficult for you to handle everything and also to give your health the same kind of priority. So that is the reason I help people who have crossed their 30. So let's go further. The first step is never ever starve yourself. Never. Doesn't matter how much calorie you are planning to have, whether you are going to calorie deficiency diet and whatever. Because though I'm not a fan of calorie deficiency diet, because I don't count calories when I give my diet to my clients. I don't never count calories. I never tell them to count on calories, because what if I told you that there is pretty strong evidence that when you diet or restricts calories, there is a term that is called xenobiotics. That is a chemical thing, are mobilized and increase in your blood. When this xenobiotics starts increasing in your blood, then your metabolism and the rate of burning fat slows down. So never ever go for that starve mode, because another reason behind it's like हम जब अपने बॉडी को खाना नहीं देते तो then body gets into that zone. It starts thinking like that, अभी 2-3 दिन बाद मुझे तो खाना नहीं मिलेगा. तो what happens, like जब आप उसको थोड़ा सा भी खाना देते हो, like whenever you feed yourself, थोड़ा सा भी, कोई बोलते यार मैं तो इतना कम खाता हूँ फिर भी क्यों मैं मोटा होते जा रहा हूँ. That is the reason, because अब जब थोड़े थोड़े खाना खाते हो, like your body starts thinking अभी तो कुछ ही घंटे बाद मुझे खाना नहीं मिलेगा, again I have to stop, so let's store it for the future use. And what happens, all the food you are having, this is not getting converted into energy, rather it is getting converted into fat. So never ever starve yourself. The next one, mix your exercise with heart rate elevating and muscle toning exercises. So you will see many people, they trust on aerobics exercise, Zumba or running, and some people they believe in like strength training, weightlifting, but you need to combine both. You need to keep your heart rate in an elevated at an elevated stage so that you can burn your fat in an effective way, and the same way you need to do some muscle toning exercise. In my community, what I do, I just try to find out which is their weak zone, because everybody has a weak zone, and that is related with their metabolism, that is related with their many chronic disease. So we try to find out what is their weak zone. Another thing, we try to find out where they are right now as per their fitness level. We conduct a fitness assessment test, and as per that we customize their workout pattern. So the thing is, your exercise with your heart rate, you need to mix your workout so that you can elevate your heart rate. That should be about 80% of your maximum heart rate. And the same thing, you need to tone up your muscles, because when you will see that your muscle density is going up, your metabolism, the fat burning rate in your body will also shoot up. That is one thing you need to mix it up. There is no single kind of exercise, like there is no single weightlifting exercise, there is no single running, or there is no single kind of yoga. You need to combine, because your fitness is nothing but the combination of your endurance, your stamina, your strength, your flexibility, everything. The next one, don't count calories. fuel your metabolic furnace. We have a misconception that खाना कम करो, calorie deficiency बढ़ाओ, weight घटाओ. That doesn't work. Tell me how long you can survive on this kind of diet. One reason I already told you, इससे क्या होता है, xenobiotics formation होता है. दूसरा चीज है your metabolic furnace. What is metabolic rate? Metabolic rate is nothing but the burning rate which you have when you are not doing anything. Like you're not working out, you're not doing anything. Simply like I'm sitting and I'm burning. That rate should be higher. That is the only way. बिकॉज अगर आप ये सोचते हो कि वर्कआउट करके खाना कम करके आप अपना वेट घटाओगे, दैट इज अ मिथ. कितने साल तक आप इंटेंस वर्कआउट करोगे? कितने साल तक बताओ मुझे? 50 years, 55 years, then what will happen? So you need to increase your metabolic furnace so that you can burn your whatever you are eating, you can digest it well. You'll see just after crossing 30 you start having some digestive problem. You cannot digest food well. That is just because of your metabolic furnace. It has gone down. And how to do that? Of course, there are plenty of ways. The first thing is you need to find what is your metabolic type, which you conduct a test, and that tells you, like, even you can, if you can listen to your body, you can easily understand what is your metabolic type. Try to go to bed one day, have a protein rich food, and try to find out whether you can sleep properly or not. That will tell you whether you are protein type. Try it another day. On the next day, try to have a carbs rich, like multigrain bread or roti, rice. Have a full of salad and carbs, fruits, and try to go to bed and try to sleep and find out what kind of sleep you are having. Like, can you have a sound sleep night? So those kind of things will tell you what kind of body type you are, and that will help you to find out your metabolic type. Because if you eat as per your metabolic type, then you can burn your food in a very efficient way, and that will raise your metabolic furnace, reduce your stress. That is another thing. If you are stressed for a continuous time, you cannot raise your metabolic rate. So those are few things you need to remember. And also there are more things which you need to understand, that you have to fuel your metabolism. There is no other way. Yes, that's it. Those are 3 steps which you can follow and you can raise your metabolism. There are few things. Yes, so that was the video all about. The first thing is I'm going to run a 3-day free workshop, and the link will be given below. Register yourself for the free workshop. If you're someone who get tired while playing with your kids, who feels problem at the end of the day, who feel tired, who cannot get fit into those 20s wala jeans, if you are one of them, then register yourself for the workshop. The second one, you have an ebook, free ebook which you can download, that will help you to fuel your metabolism after crossing your 30. Another link what I have, that is for my VIP Facebook group. So if you are someone who would like to join my community, please join that Facebook group. So see you there. And if you feel my videos are valuable, you are getting a lot of values, please subscribe and like my channel. See you there. Bye bye.